into a paper mache fish. We're going to take these stencils and we're going to trace them onto our paper. We're going to trace this one twice. And as we trace it, we want to have the very top of it coming off of the edge of our paper. So what I've done here is I have folded my paper long ways like a hot dog, and then I've taken this, and the very edge of it is actually coming off my paper. As you can see, it goes off my paper just a little bit. That way it'll be held together. Then after we've traced this one twice and this one once, because this will be our tail and this will be a fin on either side, then I'm going to cut it out. And I don't want to come to a complete point here. I want to leave just a little bit so that it'll stay together. Just like this. And you can see that it stayed together like so. Now I'm going to cut this part off as well. This will give it flexibility to be glued down. Okay, this will be one of our fins. I'm going to open it up here. This will go just like this. I want the pointy end to be the mouth. And you can see that I had a drawing on the other side of mine, but that's okay. We'll leave it there because we're going to cover it up with paper anyways. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to fold this one this way, and then I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to fold the other side the other way so that it looks like this. This will allow it to be glued just like this. So I'm going to put glue all right here. And I'm going to glue it on where the fin would go. I already have my other things cut out. I did that before the video. So I'm going to go ahead and show you where you can put your second one. Here's my second fin. It's ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and put glue on it. And I'm going to glue on this fin to the other side so that we have a fin on both sides. Just like this and this. This fin I'm going to have to redo, but I'll do it at a different time. Then the tail fin, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to fold this back. I'm going to fold this back. And then it'll go as a tail at the back of the fin. So I'm going to put glue here and here. And this will make it look three-dimensional. Well, it is three-dimensional. It actually does have 3 dimensions. So it is a form. It's okay if it separates a little bit. I'm going to hold that there until it's dry enough to stick on. But here is my tail fin. I have my side fin, which is already sticking on. This will be my mouth. Okay,